Somebody's coming.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, here she is. Welcome to Incredible Tiny Homes. Oh, yeah, we're filming. Here we go. All right, hand it to me. Oh, my God, Amanda.
Don't you say
Look at all the money.
That's mine.
It just, the Brinks truck just dropped off all the money.
Yeah, it's all the minuses on
That's
here.
our daily...
Minus.
That's our daily accounting sheet.
Yes.
Welcome to Incredible Tiny Homes,
Welcome
and we're
to
in the
the
headquarters of the upstairs portion of our factory.
We're in Amanda's office.
Hey, you probably see right out there is the factory. Isn't that cool?
Yep, there's Randy's office.
Yes. Hey, we're
We
about
keep our
to...
doors closed quite a bit.
Yes.
Slam.
So we're about to show you a tour. We're going to go up there to the Grove again and show you what's going on in the Grove.
Yeah.
We also got a couple homes for sale. Yes, we have a 12x20 and...
That's I'm pretty sure going to the Grove.
Yep.
And an 8x24 Dover.
Yes.
On the beach.
On the beach.
Yes.
And it comes with a beach lot. Do we have a price for any of these?
No.
Well, great. We're going to do a video. We don't even know what it's selling for.
We did text him. I'm pretty sure we came to an agreement, but
Did we come to an agreement?
we thought so, and I can't remember it.
All right. So we're going to have two homes for you. A 12x20 that maybe be on the Grove. And a 8x24 Dover.
Yeah, 8x24 Dover.
Awesome.
And it's painted my favorite color,
Black.
completely black.
All of it. You
All
actually came
black.
up with that. Yep.
I'm so excited.
That was the 13th color selection, I think.
So we need to get honestly, we need to stop the video and get a price because everybody, that's what
They're like, what are you doing this for?
I know we got to do a price.
Stop it.
All right, let's do.
And we're back.
And we're back.
Edit that, Amanda.
I will.
I just had some pecans
Pecans.
and raisins.
Because I found them in a container.
Yeah, they were for my quartzite trip 5 months ago.
Okay, so now we got the prices.
We got the price for the Dover, and it's a Dover. It's in the beach, set up on the beach. It's gonna have. Amanda, you know what I'm gonna add to this? We're gonna put a deck on it, steps, and skirting.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's included in this price. So it's set up, ready to move in. All right.
Yep.
The Dover, 8x24, black on black, right? Everything, the black trim, black siding, board and batten in the gables, horizontal, and it's coming back from the Amish tomorrow. All right? 95.
Yeah.
No, go ahead, man.
Go
Go
ahead.
ahead. No, it's your show. Go ahead. You know, I'll
You
just
go
wait
right
till you're all
ahead.
done.
Here you go right ahead.
Hey, buddy, tell her we got to talk first. Okay, you tell her. What was you going to say? What did
It'll
you
be
say?
here Monday. We'll show it Monday.
Oh, yeah, because we're going to be gone tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, so Monday we'll do a video on an 8x24 Dover for $95,900 and $900. $95,900. That's an 8x24 complete. We'll just show it to you. It's farm style sinks. It's got an air exchanger. It's got mini split. It's got the maintenance free LP siding on a lot, set up, ready to go, ready to move in. All right, the other sale is a 12x20 on the Grove. All right, now it's not painted, it's not stucco, there's no appliances in it, for $54,700. That's a 12x20 ready to go. It'll have steps on it. You guys can access it. 12x20 Grove House, $54,700. All right. 2. What does that mean? 2 what? 2 for 1. 1. She's giving me signaling. Oh yeah, 2 years free rent. Well, you just say
You
it.
can't say it that quick.
What?
You can't say it that quick. That's the big sale. That's
Two-
a big part of it.
2 years free rent.
Jim Hog Dog.
Jim. Hey, so let me get that clipped in here. So the 12x20 has got 2 years free rent.
I mean,
Gosh,
that's a big sale.
That is awesome.
That's pretty
No, I'm
big.
glad I didn't know what you meant when you went 2.
Yeah. Two.
Yeah, so $54,700 for a 12x20, 2 years free rent on the Grove. And that just matches everybody else that's on the Grove. Everybody got 2 years free rent. All right? Cool. So those two are done, right? And we will do another show on the Dover when it's set up Monday. And of course, the 12x20 right now we've got temporarily parked on the beach. It'll be moved onto the Grove, and we're going to show you the Grove right now. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go out there. All right. We're going to walk through the headquarters here. I think it's warm. I don't need this hoodie anymore.
Let me take some.
Look here. Ah. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, come on, Ace. I love showing the office and everything here. You guys are gonna, you get to walk around and see what we got. This is upstairs. Now, right there is our cottage. Look at that.
Oh my God, the Incred-I-Box.
Yeah, can you zoom in on that? We've already got it laid out. See that's the gable. There's the window, window, and we've got the slope. Earlier today we were laying it all. I did a blueprint of it and all that. Then right here, where these guys are working, that's the floor. So they got a back porch. Which really, this is the front of the house on the back of the trailer. And we're insulating it, everything we got it. This has got a heat and air system, it's got a farm style sink. This one I'm gonna doll up. It's gonna have wood shake shingles and everything.
And what is the,
It's 10 by 20.
10 by 20.
Cottage.
Okay.
Now we did we walked out and here the guys are working and I wasn't gonna show this today, but I'm glad we have. But I have a picture and a rendering of this home and the floor plan.
Okay.
So when you walk in, right here on the front porch is gonna be the front door, and back there is a full bedroom, bathroom, washer and dryer, closet, with the kitchen living room right where he's pushing that foam right there.
Oh, nice. But
Isn't
it's
that
already
cool?
got the deck on it.
Yeah,
That's
and then
nice.
there's the walls, and they're laying out that wall. They're gonna lay out another wall and our side panels, and hopefully maybe tomorrow we'll be able to put it together.
This is the Incred-I-Cottage.
This is
first
the
one.
Incred-I-Cottage. Yep. Now, I know we're moving along kind of quick on the Incred-I-Cottage, but I love it because these panels are very quick to build the house. So I've actually come up with the what do you call it, Amanda? The Incred-I-Box.
The what?
The Incred-I-Box cottage. You know?
Incred-I-Box.
Yeah. So you can do an add-a-cottage. All right? You can add a cottage to this. Actually, you can put it side by side. So this one's 200 square feet. You add another 200, you got 400 square feet. And we don't have to put the kitchen bathroom in that one, or we just put the bathroom, and you've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Amanda, and 400 square feet. Think about that. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a living room, kitchen.
Oh, it's gonna
I'm
be
excited about that.
Yeah.
Amanda, this add-a-box and add-a-cottage puts these homes in such a different perspective for everybody. Because if you get a cottage, you can always add it in a couple years from now. Get an add-a-cottage, you know, if your
So
family
you're
grows.
when you say add a cottage, you
Right.
mean a whole nother
A whole nother cottage right next to
added
it.
to it.
You got it.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go, Ace.
Come on, buddy. So all this right here is our recycled foam from our panels. See right here? Look at that. Look at that young buck right there, man.
I see.
Look at him. And so we've got a chipper, and it chips all this stuff, and we come in and we reuse it in our houses here. Isn't that cool?
Very
So we
cool.
try to, and then these are the big hunks, and they'll put these, what we can, we'll put them in here, and this is from the scrap panels that we didn't have, you know, like pieces that we cut off. They'll delaminate the metal, we'll recycle the metal, we take the foam, put it in here, then the small chips, they take up all the voids in there. It fills all the voids for that. It's worked out really well for insulation too.
Now that looks like a pretty hefty trailer.
Yeah, that's a big size trailer. Well, I'm not in the cottage. It's really, let me take off this sweatshirt. What's cool about the cottage is it's not going to be super tall. So I've actually designed it kind of have a low profile. It's not a 2-story. It doesn't have a loft at all. We may put a small storage loft in it, but it doesn't have a loft on it. So I wanted it to have kind of a smaller, squatty look.
Yeah.
I've actually wanted the walls to be shorter than what we're doing, but it's actually going to have 8-foot walls. And it was kind of going to be because of the IRC codes, and they have to have at least a certain head height in these homes.
Okay.
So that's why I left them up here.
Oh, wow, Ace.
Come on, buddy. Now there's some radios over there, but we go over here. Let's show what we're doing here. Well, you've got,
That's pretty loud.
is that, hey, you want to
Yeah.
turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay.